Freya.
No! Come on, Freya. Freya, you want to come join the petting party? Come on. Come here, baby. Not you, baby. Come here.
Just think when he gets the size of Sharon and starts doing that crap. What do you want? You're high maintenance, aren't you?
Little Freya. Your Princess Freya. Were you waiting your turn patiently like a young lady?
That lady in waiting. You're gonna fall.
Being bad up there.
No.
Okay. I see you, Frere. Maybe I don't. Okay, now I see you, Frere. Uh-oh. Ladybug.